I'm not sure what to do right now.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. I just got in the mail BH Cosmetics new palette, and it is Glam Reflection Smoke. There are 3 Glam Reflection palettes, and although I was very tempted to get one of the other 2, they're a lot more neutral and tame and more of the kind of colors that I usually go for. That's why I ordered this particular palette. It is nothing like the palettes that I already have and normally use, and I'll show you why. Shiny. So that's the outside. The other 2, I believe one is pink and one is gold. Mine is silver and already smudged. So as you can see, the colors are kind of on the blue side, a little bit of copper, one that looks like black, and a few browns. Nothing like I usually wear, but we're gonna try these out today. I'm feeling daring. So one of the most unlikely colors on this palette, and the one that draws my eyes the most, is this shimmery blue one right there. And I'm going to try to somehow use that. I definitely want to use a dark blue color. Let's swatch them, shall we? So there's one. Oh, that's really pretty. That's this right here. Let's try that second blue right next to it. Much lighter than I thought it would be. And then this purpley one maybe. All right. So those are the 3 sort of purple and blue colors. Very nice. The middle one is less pigmented than I thought. And I need something to wipe my hands off. Let's start with that sapphire color. And brush a little bit of it off because it's very blue. Other eye. It's definitely a beautiful color. Just something that I am very not used to. I should have worn some panty liners under my eyes for all the fallout. So this I'm going to put on my brow bone, and then I don't know what's going to happen. My brush picked up a little bit of the lavender that is above that color. Don't look at my camera. All right, and then we blend a bit. I'm very not used to this blue color. So now I'm going to purposely pick up some of that lavender color. Okay, still not sure how I feel. I don't know if it's about the palette or my amateur application, but I think it might also look a little bit funny because I don't have any eyebrows. Let's draw them in. Yikes. And brush them up and out a little bit. Already better with some eyebrows. I still feel a little 70s, 80s maybe? I don't know. It's not like I was alive then. All right, I am finished with the very strange to me blue opalescent-y makeup, and I'm starting to know now why I purchased the very boring neutral stuff, because I think it best suits me. Not sure if I am just not used to this, but I'll wear it tonight, see how I feel about it a little bit later. Maybe it will grow on me. My sweatshirt's on backwards. Oh, that's better. Do I love this palette? I don't know yet. I do know that I am feeling like one of the other ones would have been far more suited for me, but that was kind of the whole point of this video, was to choose something out of the norm for myself and see how I felt about it. And I'm not sure how I feel about it. Anyway, what do you guys think? Do you guys usually go for neutral colors? Do you like to use bright and vibrant colors? Anyway, that's it for this BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke Palette. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I might have learned to stick with what I'm used to. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos.